Have you ever thought about adding a feathered friend to your family, but weren't sure which bird would fit your lifestyle? From talkative parrots to gentle songbirds, choosing the right bird is crucial to a happy household. This is the Informative Living channel, your go-to resource for helpful facts, tips and guides. Today we're exploring the top 7 best pet birds for beginners and families, highlighting what makes each bird unique, their personalities and care requirements. Let's get started. Number 1. Budgerigar. Budgies, also known as parakeets, are the most popular pet birds worldwide. They're small, cheerful, and come in vibrant colours like green, blue, yellow and white. Budgies have playful personalities and thrive on daily interaction, making them ideal for families and beginners. They're intelligent, capable of learning words and phrases, and live up to 10 to 15 years when cared for properly. They require moderate cage sizes and regular social interaction to stay healthy and happy. Number 2. Cockatiel. Cockatiels are known for their friendly and gentle temperament, making them fantastic companions for families and first-time bird owners. Originally from Australia, these birds can live up to 20 years or more. Cockatiels enjoy whistling, mimicking sounds, and can be taught to perform simple tricks. They form strong bonds with their human caretakers and are affectionate, often enjoying being gently petted on their heads. Cockatiels require a balanced diet, regular out-of-cage time, and mental stimulation. Have you ever interacted with a cockatiel? What was your experience like? Share it below in the comments. Number 3. Lovebirds. Lovebirds are small parrots known for their affectionate nature. They typically thrive in pairs, as they form deep bonds with each other. However, if kept solo, they require extensive daily interaction from their owners. Lovebirds come in various vibrant colours and are extremely playful and energetic, needing plenty of toys and activities. They live around 10 to 15 years, and despite their small size, they exhibit big personalities and require regular handling to remain tame. Number 4. Parrotlet. Parrotlets are tiny parrots with strong personalities. Often described as big birds in a small body, they're bold, curious and confident. Parrotlets can learn to speak a few words, but are better known for their playful antics and clever nature. They typically live 15 to 20 years and require daily socialization to remain tame and friendly. These birds suit apartment living due to their small size, but still need plenty of enrichment and interaction. Number 5. Conure. Conures are social, vibrant birds that add life and charm to any household. Green-cheeked conures are quieter and gentler, suitable for beginners who want a playful yet manageable parrot. Sun conures, while strikingly beautiful with their bright orange and yellow feathers, are louder and need tolerant households. Both types live approximately 20 to 30 years, demand daily attention, affection and stimulation, and are incredibly loyal to their owners. Which bird would you prefer? An energetic, loud conure or a quieter, cuddly cockatiel? Tell us your preference in the comments. Number 6. African grey parrot. African grey parrots are famously intelligent birds, often called the Einstein of the bird world. They're known for remarkable cognitive abilities, clearly mimicking human speech and understanding context. African greys can live 40 to 60 years, forming deep, lasting relationships with their caregivers. These birds, however, aren't for casual pet owners. They require significant daily mental stimulation, a proper diet, large cages, and consistent social interaction. They're ideal for experienced bird owners or committed first-time owners willing to invest in extensive care. Number 7. Canaries and finches. If you prefer a pet bird for observing rather than handling, canaries and finches are excellent options. Canaries are known for their soothing songs and vibrant colours, while finches are social birds who thrive in groups. These birds are easy to care for, require less direct interaction, and enjoy a comfortable, spacious cage. They're perfect for busy individuals or families who want the calming presence of birds without high-maintenance care requirements. Canaries usually live 8 to 12 years, while finches live approximately 5 to 10 years. Are you more interested in a bird you can handle daily or one that's enjoyable to watch and listen to? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Choosing the right pet bird comes down to matching your lifestyle with the bird's needs and personality. Whether you're after companionship, entertainment, or something soothing to enjoy from afar, there's a bird out there for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more informative and insightful videos. Thanks for watching the Informative Living channel. See you next time.